Here's a few quick tips on how to use the heating system. We have an Ecobee system where the thermostat is located in the hallway, and there are other sensors around the house because there are parts of the house that can get extremely hot and others that can be a little chilly. So we'd like to make sure that the heat is equaled out. Right now you'll notice that the heat is on 67 and the current temperature inside the house is 76. If you'd like to make any changes, just go ahead and touch and drag. As you notice, if we're at an internal temperature of 76, we'd have to make it higher than that for the heat to kick on. However, any higher than 78, the heat will automatically reset back to 78 because that is the maximum amount of temperature that we're able to reach up here in the mountain elements. The altitude has a lot to do with it. You may not think that it does, but it really makes a big difference. It's a change in how you boil water. It's a change in how our skin reacts to moisture. It's a change in how we cook. And it's definitely a change in how we heat our house. So when you are ready, you can lower the temperature at night. Trust me, this is an expert tip. You definitely do not want to go to sleep with it at 76 degrees. Each room has a sensor on the floor base, and those sensors can be completely open or completely closed, depending on how the guest liked it prior to you. I can definitely give you a tip. Each room that has a sensor, and if the doors are closed, it's going to heat up very fast. So if you're not using those rooms, go ahead and flip the switch on the sensor to closed. So therefore, you're able to heat the rooms that you are in, and it equally distributes where you're living in your space. Those are some expert tips. Hope you stay toasty.